Okay, so today we're going to review ballpark estimate. The good news is a lot of the students, a lot of you guys have learned to subtract. So that's excellent. What I want you to pay a little bit of attention to now, a little bit better attention, is when you estimate. Because in order to do a ballpark estimate, you need to know how to estimate numbers. So this one here, this is number 1 in your workbook on page 47. Where most of you have already practiced it. I'm going to need you to go back and check. Because when you estimate, you need to look at this number in the ones place. Right here. This is the first thing you look at when you estimate. And make sure your eyes are right up here so that you can see. Alright? If this number is a 1, a 2, a 3, or a 4, you have to estimate down. You have to round down. So 63 is going to become 60. Okay, for your ballpark estimate. You're going to write 60 right up there. And we know that this is minus. Now, if your number in the ones place, this number is not a 1, a 2, a 3, or a 4. So we're going to do something else. If this number is a 5, a 6, a 7, an 8, or a 9, you're going to go up. You're going to round up to the next tens place. Okay? So this 37 is going to become 40. So right here, 60 minus 40. Okay? And then you're going to subtract those things. And this is going to equal 20. Now, that's just the answer to your ballpark estimate. The answer to your subtraction problem is going to be something different, but it should be close to 20. The reason that we do a ballpark estimate is because we want to check our subtraction. We want to know, did I get the right idea? Am I in the right place? So if I'm going to subtract 63 minus 37, I'm just going to do this the way I like to do it, which is borrowing and carrying. Or trading. 13 minus 7 is 6, and 5 minus 3 is 2. So the answer I got is 26. And then I say, is 26 close to 20? Yeah, it's pretty close. And that is how you do the ballpark estimate. Now let's do one more, because I'm sure it's a little tricky to still get the idea. So let's look at this one. 91. In your notebooks, I want you to write down what you think your first ballpark estimate is going to be, right here. Okay, I want you to write it right here. So, think about this first number, if you're going to go up or if you're going to go down. If you're going to go up or if you're going to go down. Okay, now hopefully everyone's had a chance to try it. We are going to go down, because as you see here, it was a 1. So that 91 is going to become a 90. Alright, and then we're subtracting. Now I want you to check this one. This 46. This 46, do you think you're going to go up or going to go down? Don't actually answer, just write down what you think it will be. Just write down what you think it will be. So, if you thought you were going to go up, you would be correct, because 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a 6, so it goes up. Now when we say go up, we mean to the next 10. So this becomes a 0, and then we go up 1 10. So it's 50. And then we subtract them. 90 minus 50 equals 40. Okay, and then I'm going to do my subtraction out here. And like I said, many of you have already gotten quite good at subtracting when you're paying attention. So, here, I'm going to do it the way I like. I'm going to trade, or I'm going to borrow. There we go. I'm going to make that 11 minus 6 is 5, and 8 minus 4 is 4. And then I check it. Gee, is 45 close to 40? Yeah, it's pretty close. So those numbers are okay. So what I want you to do now is practice your ballpark estimates. And that is how you do a ballpark estimate.